Welcome to Davantech, your one-stop partner for product engineering and manufacturing. Since we started our activities back in 2012, we grew to an international team of about 50 people. Our factory is based in Dongguan, China. Next, we have an office in Belgium and Hong Kong. CNC machining, plastic injection, and overmolding are our core business, including assembling services as an added value. We obtained an ISO certificate in 2018 and meet RoHS and REACH regulations. Why would you choose for Davantech? Because we are a one-stop partner. You only need to talk to us to get a variety of products made. With our no-nonsense approach and our experience in engineering as well as manufacturing, we get things done fast and at a competitive cost. We think technical solutions and design products in 3D. On our CNC turning and milling machines, we produce metal and plastic parts with high precision. Next, we offer mold manufacturing and injection molding of plastic parts. We master the more complex process of overmolding and insert molding. And with those different manufacturing skills, we are able to assemble full products. This is certainly a benefit for our customers. All electronic products have to be built into an enclosure. Therefore, we offer a broad range of solutions, from standard plastic and aluminum casings, till fully customized enclosures. Talk to us. You think it, we make it. Drop us an email with your inquiry and we will reply to you soon.